If you're watching this video, chances are you have a lot of people to shop for this holiday season. Let's face it, finding the right Christmas gift is never easy. Whether you're shopping for a spouse, a parent, relative, or family friend, gift giving never seems to get easier, no matter how long you've known the recipient. And if you're trying to stay under a certain budget, the gift buying process becomes even more difficult. Because let's be honest, the holiday season can get expensive, which makes finding cheap Christmas gifts an important holiday task. But while we're all for spending money on family and friends, you don't want to break your budget as you prep for the new year ahead. So whether you're shopping for a teen or your dad, these affordable holiday gifts are ideal for everyone on your list. From home decor to the handbag, here are 10 affordable Christmas gifts to get for your loved ones, brought to you by Brilliance. So, take some time to watch this video to the end, hit the red button below this video to subscribe and the bell button to get notified of our new videos, and then wait for them to freak out over how thoughtful you were this Christmas. Ready to wow your friends and family? Let's go shopping! Number 10. Scrunchie set. Worth $18. If she's above the age of 12, we can almost guarantee she has these velvet scrunchies on her list. The 80s trend is back in full effect, and you're sure to be the best relative or friend ever when they open this set. Number 9. I Love You Mum book. Worth $8.91 on Amazon.com. Surprise your mum with words from the heart. This journal allows you to jot down your thoughts and gratitude for her, and we're all about mum's happy tears. Number 8. Small leather crossbody. Worth under $20 on Amazon.com. She can fit all of the essentials in this best-selling crossbody bag, available now on Amazon. It also comes in 28 different colors, so you can match her style with any of these designs. Number 7. Plush rope. Worth $18.99 on Amazon.com. What's cozier and more affordable than bringing the spa to her? This luxurious bathrobe is everything she'll need for some at-home relaxation during the holidays. Number 6. Family Names Throw Pillow Cover. Worth $13.04 on Etsy.com. Customize this with your family members' names and share them with your mum, dad, or sibling. The subtle pillow cover will add more warmth and love to any couch. Number 5. A Corgi succulent planter. Worth $8.99 on Amazon.com. Does your pal love corgis as much as the Queen of England? If so, you have to get them the on-trend succulent planter, designed to match their favorite pup. Number 4. Scented candles. In those weeks leading up to Christmas, everyone's house smells of delicious pine. In the weeks after, when that pine tree has been tossed out into the street for pickup, a nice scented candle can fill the void it left behind with a lovely aroma. Number 3. Christmas recipe cookbook. A great way to save money is to make meals at home, but the sheer number of cookbooks available can be overwhelming. Getting your loved ones who are new to cooking Christmas dishes and who want to save money a nice cookbook can just be a great way in making their Christmas holidays a colourful one. Number 2. Instant Pot. Worth $80 on Amazon.com. Give the gift of easy, delicious dinners for the whole family with this 7-in-1 pressure cooker. Number 1. Christmas tree ornaments. When it's time to trim your Christmas tree this year, you may be drawn to your tried and true store-bought ornaments that have been sitting in your attic all year long. While they're a surefire way to spruce up the environment, we think a DIY Christmas ornament can be a more meaningful way to decorate your tree, especially if you can turn the handmade ornaments into a family Christmas activity and create memories together. Have other ways to spice up this Christmas season? Let us know in the comments section below, and if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe for more interesting videos. Till we meet again, Merry Christmas from Brilliance.